why your shamanic drum sounds flat and how to fix it. So this is how the drum sounds. A little bit flat. So what we need to do is grab a hairdryer, hold it around 15 to 20 centimeters away and have it on a medium to high heat for 30 seconds. And go round in circles. And you'll see that the skin will tighten. Turn it around. Now let's see how that sounds. Better already, but I'm not happy enough. Let's go again. Much better. And that is how to fix your flat sounding shamanic drum.